Hello children, today we will learn mental maths based exercise questions and it is based on the multiplication chapter. So firstly, in a multiplication, these are the mental maths questions. So firstly, we will learn what is the meaning of double in maths. So here the double means adding the numbers two times. So it means whatever the number is given to you, you have to add two times that number. For example, if I'm taking the number 4, it means you have to add the number 4 two times. So you have to write 4 two times with the operator plus. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Right? In this way, you have to find the double of 4. Or there is another way, you have to multiply the number by 2. It is also, this will give you double of 4. Again, I'm writing the number 4 and I'm finding by the another way. Double of 4 is 4. If you will multiply the number 4 by 2, this will give you 8. So it means that in both the cases, you are getting the same answer. So you can adopt any one of the way. So in the same way, we have to find the triple. Firstly, you have to understand the word triple. Triple try means, in the triple word, try means 3. So it means that if you will add the number 3 times, this will give you the triple of the given number. Again, I am taking the number 4 and you have to find the triple of 4. So you are adding 3 times. Try means 3. So you will add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. This will give you 12. Right? There is also another way to find the triple of the given number. Or you can multiply the number by 3. For example, I'm taking the same number 4, and if you are multiplying the 4 by 3, you will get the triple of 4, that is 12. In the both cases, you will get the same answer, or you can follow any one of the way to find the triple of any given number. Now, the firstly, we have to solve the given problem with the help of double or the triple. So, firstly, we will read the question. What will be the product if we multiply the triple of 46531 by the double of 50? So we have to find the product. Product is the answer of the multiplication. If you will multiply any two numbers, then you will get the product. So what you have to multiply? We will multiply triple of 46531, then double of 50. Firstly, we have to find these two things. So what you have to write? Firstly, we have to find the triple of 4653. Triple means 3. So you have to multiply this given number by 3. So after multiplying on the right hand side, you will get the product, and the product which will give you 139593 is the triple of 46531. Now after it, we have to find the double of 50. Double of 50 means you have to multiply the given number by 2. This will give you double of 50. So 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. Now, how you will find its product? By multiplying the triple of 4653 and the double of 50. This will give you product. It means you have to multiply these two numbers. So this will give you a product, that is the answer you have to write here. That is a triple of 46531 and the double of 50 is 100. So let's multiply these two numbers to find the product. That is 13959300. And this is the short method to do the multiplication. So firstly you have to multiply the given number by 1, that is 139593. Then after it you have to add two zeros to the right of the answer. This will give you a product of the given problem. Now the next question is, you have to find the product. What will be the product if we multiply the difference between the two numbers by the double of 500? Again here What you have to do? Firstly, we will find the difference of the two given numbers, and then we will find the double of 500. Then after it, we will multiply together. Then we will find its product. So let's start with the difference of the two numbers. So the difference of the two numbers is, difference means which operator? Minus. It means we have to subtract these two numbers. So after subtracting these two numbers, you will get 47903, and you have to subtract from ones to bigger value. So this will give you, after subtraction, 47903, and you know subtraction very well. After finding the difference, we will find the double of 500. Double of 500 means, you have to multiply 500 by 2. This will give you 1000, right? This would be 1000. Okay, now let's multiply the given numbers and let's find its product. Now we will multiply these two numbers, difference and the double of 5000. Double of 5000, you have to add it 10 over here. So 47903, you have to multiply by 1000. This will give you 47903 triple zero. This will give you a product of the given number. And you have to write the answer on the right side as well. Now, third question is, again you have to find the product if you will multiply the sum of. Now each and every question is different. Now in this case, you have to find the sum of these two numbers and the triple of 300. So firstly, let's find the sum of the given numbers. So sum of the two numbers is 44606 plus 14782. This will give you 59388. This is the sum of the given numbers. Now, after it, we have to find the triple of 300. Again, triple means you have to multiply 300 by 3. This will give you 900. Right? After it, you have to multiply both the answers. That is the sum of the given numbers and the triple of 900. So you have to multiply 59388 by 900. So you have to do the calculation, multiplication on the right side. So after solving this multiplication, you will get the solution 534492. You have to write the answer. Firstly, you have to put the number 59388 multiply by 9 in the 100 place. You have to group it together, find out the solution and write down the answer, and add two zeros to the right of the answer. This will give you a product of the given numbers. Now children, this is the miscellaneous exercise questions. It's very important. So let's read the question first. The cost of a toy is rupees 775. Find the cost of 15 packets if each packet contains 4 toys. So let's start with solving this given problem. So firstly you have to write, so what is given to you? Cost of a toy. Let's take a toy now. So here we have a car toy. So its cost is given to you, that is rupees 775, right? Its cost is rupees 775. Remember, your car toys cost rupees 775. And children, now you have to find the cost of 15 packets. But we don't have a packet over here, we have one toy only. So if each packet contains 4 toys, so let's take a packet first, which is containing of 4 toys. So here we have a packet and it contains of 4 toys. Let's see. So these are the 4 car toys, and now it has been packed in a one packet. Now, can you calculate the cost of one packet containing 4 toys? Yes, because if you know the price of one toy, that is rupees 775, so it means that each toy is of rupees 775. It means that 4 of the toys of rupees 775, right? So it means that one packet is containing four toys and we know the cost of each four toys. So let's add 775 four times. So it means that four times means you have to multiply by four only. So the cost of one packet you have to find, and how you will find it? The cost of one packet containing four toys. So you have to multiply 775 by 4 only to get the cost of one packet, and it is rupees 3100. Now, cost of one packet we know very well, and it is rupees 3100. We have just find out now. Now, you have to calculate the cost of 15 packets now. We don't know the cost of 15 packets, but we know the cost of one packet. So in the multiplication, if you know the value of one thing, then we can find for many things. So we know the value of one packet, that is 3100, and now we can find the cost of 15 packets. So just multiply the given money, that is rupees 3100 by 15, and you will get the cost of 15 packets. And you know the multiplication very well. Firstly, we have to multiply 31 into 15. Then after it, we will find its solution and we will add two zeros to the right of the answer. This will give you a cost of 15 packets rupees 4006 sorry 46,500 rupees. Thank you so much.